So in this video, I'm going to solve problem 17 in chapter 8. And I hope you guys found this one to be really easy because we basically did it in class. But here's that data. So this is the Markowitz portfolio, the book model. And this is the file that I actually posted on the website. We're just going to use it because everything's the same, right? All these are all the returns are all the same, blah, blah, blah. I got my choice variables, right? And what the deal is here is in the book, you were minimizing your variance subject to some expected value. Here, it's just the opposite. Now we want to minimize our risk, which is the minimum of our sum squared deviations, and then we're going to let the mean do whatever it wants to do, right? So in other words, we're going to maximize the mean subject to the risk mean, in this case, less than 30 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so from the model that we went over in class, all you have to do is change this to 30. Right, now the constraints are still the same, right? So these are the percentages we will invest in these various securities. So the constraint is still the same. The sum of those must equal to 1. Here are going to be the expected returns in each scenario. And now remember, our squared deviations in this case come from the average of those returns, right? This is not the index fund. And then, of course, I just sum up those returns and then divide by the number of returns because that gives me my variance, right? So that's what we have here. Okay, so basically, same model we did in class, the same model that I posted on the web page. So in this problem, all we have to do then is maximize the expected return subject to the variance being less than 30 and then our constraint. So I'm going to solver. So I've already got that maximized. That's good. By changing B8 to G8, that's perfect. D10 has to be less than or equal to F10, and then that has to be equal to that. Perfect. I'm ready to go. I hit solve. Hit OK. Voila. You're done. Literally, it was that easy. So what's going to happen here is we'll have a variance, which is the risk of 30, and an expected return of 10.44. So, you know, one of the ways to interpret this, right, is basically our variance is 3 times higher than our expected return, right? So, not sure that I'd like that, but I'm a college professor and we like to play it safe. So, at any rate, the bottom line is, there you go. That's how easy it is to solve this problem. I hope you found it as easy as well. All right, well, that's it for this problem.